Yes, salam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah, today we bring you the process of making a barbecue stove out of a water heater tank. This water heater tank you see over here is 20 liters. A 20 liters water tank. Yes. As you see it there, we source it from wherever we source it, as you see it over there. This is a 20-liter water heater tank. Yes, it's an old 20-liter water heater tank, as you see it over there. Yes, we first check it out, then we start by making its legs. Yes, we make its stands. Yes, we start by making its stands. Yeah, the legs, as you might call them in raw English. Yes, the legs. So after making the legs, we try to see how we are going to fit on those legs. Those legs you see over there. The legs are stand at a height of 3 feet. Yes, as you see them there. Then we start by trying to fix them on before we cut it out. Yes, we try to see how are we going to fit these legs on, as you see over there. Then afterwards, we cut our tank. Yes, after seeing how we are going to fit the legs on, we label our tank, we measure it and start cutting it, as you see over there. Yes, we cut off the unwanted stuff. Yes, we first cut off the unwanted stuff, then we divide it into two. Yes, as you see us over there. Then after cutting it, as we told you in the first few minutes, the last few minutes, we get to see how are we going to fit on the legs, as you see there. Then we prepare our machine and start fitting on the legs or the stands. Yes, these stands go at around 3 feet from down to up. Yes, that is the height. That's going to be the height of the stove, 3 feet, as you see over there. Then we start fitting on the legs. And don't you forget that if you need these barbecue stoves in any size, any shape, any design, just call on us. Just call on us. We are found at Salama Road, just next to Total Petrol Station. We do all these barbecue stoves in all shapes, all designs. We do the box, we do the drum, we do the triangle, we do the circle. We do all of them, the small, the big, and all of them. Besides that, we do the general metal works, the general metal fabrication. We do the doors, we do everything. So as you see there, going back to the point in case, we put on our legs, we see how is it going to stand, as you see it over there. Yes, temwelabira bannanga abooluganda tetubeerabidde bwe tuti bwe tukola essigiri yaffe nga tugikoze mu kawota hita tanka. Katanka kano ka liters 2. Yes, tukozemu akasigiri kaffe akatini kano kolaba kali very beautiful. Awo olaba tuba tukataddeko amagulu ne tukayimiriza. Kayimirira fuuti 3 okuva wansi okudda waggulu. Yes, kayimirira fuuti 3. Tuba tukakoze bulungi, tukasazeemu, tukataddeko amagulu nga bw'okalaba, ne twongera okukasala obulungi kabikkule bulungi ng'era bw'okalaba. So as you see there, we finish up the cutting session of the upper top. Yes, to see how it opens. During that process over there, we put on the wheels. Yes, this stove comes with the wheels. Yes, as you see them. Enesigiri ebeerako obupiira. Yes, tekuzitowera tekutawanya kutambuza ebeerako obupiira. Yes, mutukubire ku namba zaffe ez'essimu. Call on us at 0757 449789. That number is an Airtel number. It's also on WhatsApp. Then you can use the MTN number. So tukubirako ku number of MTN eri 0773 51 57 11. You can get us. You can get us on Google Map. You can get us on Google Search. You can get us on all platforms. The username is Ashi Barbecue Stoves. We are on Pakasa. We are on Jiju. We are on Yalik. We are on Facebook. We are on TikTok. We are on Instagram. We are at YouTube. We are at everywhere. Just search on us everywhere. We are there. Wherever you want to find us, we are there. The username on all platforms, online, all over is Ashi Barbecue Stoves. Ashi with it, ASHYBBQ, then Stoves. Then you can get hold of us. As you see it over there, we are putting on the side cases which are going to hold the chopping boards. Those ones you see us fitting on are the side cases that are going to hold the chopping boards. Ezo zemulaba awo aketuli mukola akemabbali kikagenda okubeerako chopping boards zaffe, era laba video eno mu kusembayo ogenda giraba essigiri eno